Hi friends, today we are going to solve the examples of 10th standard mathematics part 1 equation lesson first linear equation in two variables. Practice set 1.3. It means before this we have solved examples from the practice set 1 and 2. There are so many examples I have already given. You have to check in the playlist. So now we are going to solve the following simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule or Cramer's method. So it is very important, Cramer's rule method. Now see here solution. Given example should be in this form. It means x 3x minus 4y is equal to 10, first equation. Second equation 4x plus 3y plus 3y is equal to 5. In each and every example, two equations will be given to you. You have to write the given equation in this format: x then y is equal to constant term. Is it clear now? X and y variables will be in the left and constant term will be always in the right hand side in both the equation. Now see here how to write determinant. First step is very important. See here, write down x 3 4, coefficient of x below the x, coefficient of y. While writing the coefficient, if the coefficients are negative, write down negative. This one is positive. So is equal to, first step, 3 into 3. Use bracket to avoid the mistakes in this direction first. Then between negative terms and remaining, out of these two you can write any one first. 4 into negative 4. Then 3 3s are both are positive, so 3 3s are 9. Negative into negative, if 2 times, then answer will be positive. 4 4s are 16. Therefore D is equal to 25. This is the first step. Second, one example is sufficient to understand this method. Second step, we are going to calculate the value of dx. Which one? Dx. So coefficients of x will be not there. Instead of that, we have to write constant terms, that is 10 and 5. 10, 5, y, coefficient of y as it is negative 4 and 3. Remaining method same, 10 cross multiplication into 3 negative 5 into negative 4. So what will happen? 10 3s are 30, minus minus plus 5 4s are 20. Therefore dx, value of dx will be 50. Third step, we have to calculate the value of dy. dy, again listen carefully. First comes x, then comes y. So coefficient of y, we have to remove that one. Instead of that, we have to write constant terms 10 and 5. This 10 and 5 will be moved second place, and x will be as it is. Coefficient of x, which one? 10 and 5. No, sorry, which one? 3 and 4. First equation coefficient of x is 3, second equation coefficient of y is 4. Don't make hurry. 3 into 5. minus 4 into 10. So what will happen? 3 5s are 15 minus 40, that is equal to negative 25. This is the value of dy. Last step, therefore x is equal to dx upon d. In examination, marks are given to these steps. First, this second, third, half marks are given to each steps. Now see here, dx, value of dx is 50 and d, what is 25? You can see dx 50, d 25 is equal to x is equal to 2 and y is equal to dy upon d. What is the value of dy? Negative 25. Value of d 25 is equal to negative 1. 25 ones are 25. Lastly, you have write x, y is equal to x. What is the value of x? 2. And this one is the minus 1. This is the solution. Is it clear now? Now we are going to solve example 2 from the same practice set. See here. In the second example, what is given to us? 4x plus 3y. थोड़ा कैमरा खाली की तुम्ही. Now you can see clearly 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. Solution. See, equations are given in the different format. So we have to write 4x plus 3y is equal to negative 4 to the right hand side, that will be positive 4. Here x 6x is in the left side as it is right place. Now we have to 5y here in the left hand side, that is negative 5 will be positive, plus 5y is equal to 8. 8 is in the right hand side. We want constant terms always. Constant terms should be always in the right hand direction. This is first step. Now d is equal to, you know very well now, 4 6 3 5 is equal to 3 into 5 minus 6 into 3. Now see here, 3 5s are 15 minus 18. What will be d minus 3? d is equal to, sorry, check here just 4, equation check, 4 and 5 here, cross 4 5s are 20 here, 20 minus 18, that will be 2. Is it clear now? 20 minus 18, so d will be, what will be the d? d is equal to 2. Avoid mistakes, calculate carefully. First step. Second step very important, that is dx is equal to, see the above determinant, In the x, remove this one, 4 and 6. In place of that, write down 4 and 8. Constant terms, y will be as it is, 3 into 5. Now see here again cross multiplication, 4 into 5 minus 8 into 3 is equal to 4 5s are 20 minus 24. So dx is equal to 24 minus 20, positive 4, but greater number is negative, so answer will be negative. Third step, dy is equal to, y we write here, x will be as it is from the first d, 4 6, value of constant, that is 4 and 8. Again check here in the d, we never write coefficient of x at the place of x. Here in dy we never write here coefficients of y. Instead of that we write constant terms. Is it clear now? 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4. So 8 4s are 32. 1 time negative, 24. 32 minus 24. What will be? 32 minus 20, 12, 12 minus 4, that is 8. It means positive 8. dy. We calculated dx, dy, d. Now therefore x is equal to dx upon d. What is the value of dx? What is that? Negative 4. Upon d, that is 2, is equal to negative 2, and y is equal to dy upon d. What is dy? 8. d 2 is equal to 4. Solution, x, y is equal to, what is the value of x? Negative 2, y 4. This is the solution. Now third and last one, now we are going to solve. Just wait. Example third, x plus 2y is equal to negative 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation is written in the proper form. So solution, write down the given equation. X plus 2y is equal to negative 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Check the given equation. X plus 2y is equal to negative 1, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Therefore d is equal to, first step is important. Nothing is here. What is the coefficient of x in the first equation? Nothing is there, so always 1 there. This one is 2. 2. This is negative 3. Is equal to, again, don't make mistakes, cross multiplication. Use bracket to avoid the mistakes. So into 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 1 time negative, negative 3. 1 time negative, so 4. is equal to negative 7, value of d. First step, we have to calculate the value of d. Second, dx. Write down these steps very carefully. X will be not there. These 1 and 2 are the coefficients of x. Replace these two terms 1 and 2. Instead of that, write down constant terms negative 1 and 12. Coefficient of y will be as it is, 2, negative 3. Now see here, is equal to negative 1 into cross multiplication negative 3 minus cross multiplication 12 into 2. Product of two negative terms always positive. 3 into 1, 3. 1 negative, both are positive, but here is negative 1 times, so negative 24. So what will be negative 21? What is that? Dx. Not necessary to put the bracket or box. Third step, dy. Again, y we write here. So instead of y, coefficient of we have to write constant term, that is negative 1 and 12. xy. So in the dy we never write coefficients of y. X coefficient will be as it is, 1 and 2. Again same method use, cross multiplication 1 into 12 minus 2 into negative 1. Both are positive. 12, 2 times negative, 2 into 1 plus 2, that is dy is equal to 40. Therefore x is equal to dx upon d is equal to, what is dx? Negative 21. What is d? Negative 7. Both are positive. Numerator and denominator, negative will be cancelled, so 7 3s are. Y is equal to dy by d is equal to, what is dy? 14 upon negative 7, that is negative 2. Therefore x and y values, solutions, x 3, y negative 2. This is the solution. If you like, hit the like marks and you can share to your friends. So keep watching and stay safe. Best of luck.